Winter is here, and shoveling snow doesn't have to feel like a workout from the Ice Age. From slippery sidewalks to packed driveways, the right electric snow shovel can make clearing winter messes faster, easier, and even a little satisfying. Today, we're diving into the best electric snow shovels that deliver serious power, effortless handling, and smart features that actually make your mornings less hectic. Whether you're battling fresh powder or that stubborn, icy buildup, these tools are built to keep you moving and your property clean without the noise, fumes, or hassle of gas. Let's get into it. Greenworks 80-volt 12-inch brushless snow shovel. Greenworks Snow Shovel delivers cordless snow-clearing power across your driveway, sidewalk, deck, and patio without gas or cords holding you back. Its 80-volt brushless motor and removable lithium-ion battery provide steady torque, quieter operation, and longer life than brushed motors, making winter cleanup faster and less of a chore. It clears a 12-inch path and handles snow up to 6 inches deep, throwing it up to 20 feet away so you keep moving instead of just shoving snow around. Run times reach up to 45 minutes on a full charge, giving you real performance for typical residential snowfalls. Weighing about 18 pounds with the battery installed, it stays light enough to handle without strain. A push-button electric start gets you going instantly. And the ergonomic design reduces back fatigue while you tackle driveways, sidewalks, and steps efficiently. Driveways, sidewalks, and steps. Ego Power Plus Multi-Head Snow Shovel Kit. Ego Power Plus Multi-Head is a cordless snow-clearing powerhouse built for homeowners who want serious performance without noise and fumes and gas headaches, setting the tone for fast, efficient winter cleanup right from the first push. It comes ready to work straight out of the box, including the Ego Power Plus Multi-Head Power Head and the Snow Shovel attachment, and a 56-volt 4-ampere-hour ARC lithium battery and a 320-watt charger, giving you a complete setup designed to make sidewalks and driveways and decks disappear under clean passes. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers longer run times and reduced vibration and extended motor life compared with brushed designs, while clearing a 12-inch wide path and throwing snow up to 25 feet with directional control. So morning cleanup moves quickly and predictably. It features an overload protection system that disengages the auger if it hits a stubborn clog to protect the motor and electronics, paired with a variable speed trigger and a 2-speed selector that put pacing in your hands, plus an adjustable front handle that lets you dial in comfort as conditions change. With the included battery, you can clear snow up to 6 inches deep on a 4-car driveway on a single charge, making it a dependable option for typical winter conditions across residential properties and light commercial jobs alike. Toro 12-inch electric shovel. Toro 12-inch shovel redefines winter cleanup with cordless power and simplicity, built for homeowners who want reliable performance without gas or extension cords. Powered by a 60-volt max battery with 2.5 ampere-hours and 135 watt-hours, this snow shovel delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge and recharges in about 60 minutes, giving you real usability during typical winter jobs. The brushless DC motor shreds through snow silently and efficiently while running cooler and lasting longer than brushed motors. 2 forward speed settings put control in your hands so you can adjust power on the fly as conditions change instead of wrestling with one constant speed. Toro's Power Curve technology throws snow up to 25 feet forward, clearing decks, patios, walkways, and driveways up to 4 cars wide without just pushing snow around you. This model clears a 12-inch wide path with an intake height up to 6 inches, the perfect balance of size and capability for light to moderate snowfall. At about 22 pounds, it stays light enough for easy maneuvering without sacrificing performance. The cordless push-button start and compact profile mean less fuss and hassle on cold mornings, and Toro backs this tool with a 3-year full tool warranty and a 3-year full battery warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Earthwise SN70112. Earthwise SN70112 delivers a simple and effective way to clear snow without gas or cords, built around a lightweight design and practical performance for typical residential snow removal. This 20-volt cordless electric snow thrower runs on the included 20-volt 4-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery and charger, giving you up to 60 minutes of runtime per charge with a recharge time around 2.7 hours, so you can manage snow early in the morning or late in the evening without hassles. Its brushless motor runs quieter and more efficiently than brush designs while moving up to 300 pounds of snow per minute, and the dual-blade auger grips and throws snow instead of just shoving it forward. This tool clears a 12-inch wide path with a maximum clearing depth of 3.5 inches, and it can throw snow up to 25 feet away. Like making quick work of sidewalks, patios, driveways, stairs, and other tight spaces where a full-size machine would be overkill. At about 11.5 pounds, it stays light enough for easy maneuvering around obstacles. The ergonomic auxiliary handle gives added comfort and control, so longer jobs do not wear you out as fast, and this electric design produces no emissions or fumes while helping you finish snow clearing faster and with less strain. Snow Joe 24-volt cordless snow shovel. Snow Joe Snow Shovel is a lightweight, battery-powered snow clearing tool built to make winter cleanup faster and less tiring without gas, cords, or pull starts. This cordless snow shovel runs on Snow Joe's exclusive 24-volt IonMax lithium-ion battery system with a 4.0 amp-hour battery and quick charger included for ready-to-use convenience. The 400-watt motor moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute through the heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, and that auger throws snow up to 20 feet away, so you are clearing snow out of the way, not just pushing it forward. You get a 13-inch wide clearing path and an intake height up to 6 inches, balancing compact maneuverability with meaningful snow coverage per pass. A durable scraper blade at the base lets you clear right down to the surface of decks or pavement without gouging or scratching the ground, and the dual handle design helps reduce bending and strain so longer sessions feel easier. This cordless design weighs about 13 pounds, keeping the tool light enough to lift and store with minimal effort, while still packing the power you need for typical residential snowfall. Starting at $180, the Snow Joe 24-volt cordless snow shovel bundle combines practical runtime with a simple, intuitive control layout. Scenics X6. Scenics X6 brushless snow shovel redefines cordless snow clearing with real power, thoughtful features, and winter-ready performance that goes well beyond a basic electric shovel. This tool uses a 60-volt max brushless motor and a high-capacity 6-ampere-hour hypercore battery that delivers up to 600 pounds of snow cleared per minute with consistent torque and efficiency. The 15-inch wide clearing path and 6-inch intake depth let you move through snow on decks, sidewalks, driveways, and patios much faster than manual shoveling, saving time and effort when storms hit. The auger throws snow up to 30 feet forward, keeping cleared surfaces free of drifting piles. Comfort and control are built into every detail. An adjustable louver rotates up to 75 degrees so you can place snow exactly where you want it without stopping your stride, and built-in wheels make transport effortless from area to area. An integrated LED light improves visibility during early morning or late evening snow clearing sessions, and the ergonomic handle with adjustable shaft reduces strain during longer jobs. Starting at around $329, the Scenics electric snow shovel pairs dependable performance with long-term peace of mind, backed by a 5-year limited warranty on the shovel and a 3-year limited warranty on the battery and charger. With the right electric snow shovel, even the heaviest snowfall doesn't stand a chance. These 6 picks save you time, protect your back, and make winter cleanup almost effortless. Check the description and pinned comment for the best deals, and choose the one that fits your driveway and steps perfectly. Don't let snow slow you down. Grab the shovel that keeps you moving and hit like and subscribe so you never miss the tools that make life easier.